What's up, guys? I am doing hardcore Minecraft again. Yes, it's weird that I'm doing it right after. I'm just kidding. No, I don't care. I'm gonna load up this new world. Nothing to do. So, let's see what I get. I am gonna just load this up and see what the seed is gonna be. Okay, 80% done, 90% done, 100%. I have bad memories of these places, but I spawned right next to a jungle temple, so it can't be that bad. Especially if in jungle. Okay. Not dying, I swear. I swear I'm not dying. Trying to get some stone, just so I can get a stone pick to mine better. Hopefully I can get diamonds or something like that. But I have bad memories of jungles. I think I'll let you know why. Yeah, there's a specific reason. Okay, some gold, bamboo, bones, rotten flesh. Okay, then there's this thing. Huh. I remember there's a dispenser like around the corner. Oh, yes. That one. Yeah, honestly, you can just rob these things of their bamboo and arrows. Yeah, I can get some free arrows. Dude, some free arrows? That's perfect. I could even get redstone, but I don't care. Pistons? Okay. Got gold. Got dispensers. My first goal is just to get out of here. Jungle biome. Ooh, parrot. Okay. Okay. Two seeds only? About 2 seeds only? Still? No? Okay. I'll get parrot. Last time I died. Don't go away. Yes! I have my own pet parrot. Where is he? Where did he go? Oh, he's right there. Hello. Hello. Oh, wait. Hey, no. No. Just get back on my shoulder. Yay! Why is it that when you fall 1 block space? Fine. You'll just run with me. Come on. Come along, child. I have a saddle and a parrot pet. Can I just fly right now? Oh, hello. What the? That is not a That is not a jungle log. I thought they could only be placed on jungle logs. Yeah, they can't. The heck was that? I meant to place my dirt. Why, game? Why? Is the Parrot on my shoulder? No. Parrot is not on my shoulder. But it will keep teleporting to me. Over and over. Come on, keep teleporting. I just want to get out of here. These things usually last for like a while. So last time I was in a pretty big one too. Melons! Hey, at least it's a reliable source of food. No, it's not. It's not a reliable source of food. It's half a hunger each time. And I am not gonna wait for that. I'd rather eat dried kelp because it's at least faster to eat. Birch Forest, yo, I'm finally out. I don't want to see a jungle ever again. Because of last time. Alright, I'll sprint. Wait, what? Wait. Is it different on Java? Wait, is it actually 1 heart? Dude, that's so good. I'm not used to playing on Java, so did not know this. But it heals you up 1? It's way better than half. Parrot. Ooh. There's some horses over there. Okay, you only have a bit of health and you don't like me. You got rid of me immediately. Barely any health. Some health. And it... Nope, you hate me. And you. The most health here. Doesn't mean you're the best, though. Aww. Yo, actually, you do not like me. Parrot, what are you doing? No. Just trying to get a horse. Come on. I'm gonna keep spam clicking. Dang it. Finally? Yes! Wait, Parrot? Parrot? With my parrot buddy and my horse pet, we ride off into the distance. Ride off into the distance. Woo! Not that fast. Barely jumps, but it has a lot of health. Which means it will die less. It will die less. It will die less. I don't think I can attack mobs on here. Okay. Seeds. Not even 3 blocks, dude. That's not even that good of a horse. The speed is meh. No! Yeah, get on. Get on. Come on, yeah. No one suffocate, okay? No one suffocate? I'm going through the trees, okay? Never mind. No. Why? Ah! It's so hard to see. Oh no. No, get out of the water. 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 What the? I'm just trying to see in third person. Okay. Parrot. Parrot, get on. Parrot. Parrot. Parrot, get on. We're trying to get away from the jungle as fast as possible. Hey, buddy. Yeah. We have to keep going. Yeah, they take a lot less fall damage than they take a lot less fall damage than usual. Immediately takes fall damage. Bruh. Get on, Parrot. Parrot. No. Get on. There we go. Beehive break! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Me and my horse buddy. And my parrot, of course. Oh no. Go, go, go. Go before the bees come. They're coming! Ah! Oh no, this is actually a problem. It's a lake. It's a lake. The bees are coming. There's nowhere else. Oh, that's a lava pool. Okay, there we go. It's better now. Barely. Parrot, why are you bucking me off now? You were just in the water. Dude, this is impossible. Okay, just go around. Just go around. Why? Why? Okay, time to live in the side of a cliff right now. Mr. Parrot, me. I'll build my horse a stable. And, oh no! That's the sound of a child. Go, go, go! Quickly, quickly, quickly before the child comes. No, horse, 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 horse. I welcome you to your new home. Can you fit? Nope, you can't. Great. I still hear the child. Oh wait, no, it's the parrot. The parrot makes those noises. I forgot. Parrot like does that. Oh, now you can? Frick. Get in. Nope. Nope. Horse, get back in there. Stay in there. Stay in there. It's for your own safety. Of not running away for me, so it's my own safety, but I don't care. This is Minecraft. I'm mine. I don't want it to be ride a horse craft. And also, Mr. Parrot, I don't have a name for you yet, but I'm gonna name you Henry. So basically, I do have a name for you. Come down here. Come down here this instant. This is gonna be my little mining area, and I want you to just be the first thing I see every time I mine. Okay? Do you not like the caves? Come on. I thought you would love the caves. You do not like the caves. Okay, you want to be with the horse? That's okay. I'll just go mining. Alone. Okay, I'm gonna mine for a bit. Be right back, guys. Alright, I found like a little cave. What's in here? Okay, that's very deep. I do not want to fall down there. Wait, that's iron. Ooh, wow. Okay, that's iron. Ooh. Okay, I'll get some iron. That kind of actually looks like a normal cave. I'm going to change that to right here. The dirt one. Okay. I'm just gonna keep mining the iron, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Oh, frick. I didn't mean to fall down here. Oh, hello. Oh, wow, that just caused a cave-in. Okay, for some reason these emit light, so, I mean, I'm not complaining. But, like, why? Oh, yeah, they're glow lichen. I forgot the name. I thought they were, like, gray lichen or something like that. Okay, I need to be, like, cautious. Because one creeper can end me. So I got 12 iron. Getting some coal right now. I'll make a torch. I just hold it in my offhand. I'm gonna make sure I don't die here, so I'm not gonna go down any dangerous places. I'm just gonna go the only safe way. Alright. Apparently that safe way is no way. So I'm just gonna keep lighting up this place. No, why? There's iron there and I don't want you to explode it. Monster Hunter! Okay, so I'm gonna grab this iron and I'm gonna get out of here. So I'm just gonna mine this iron. And with the power of editing, boom, the other two pieces are gone. I was kind of lazy. Even though it requires 2 buttons. Okay, so there's more right here, so I'm just gonna mine it in a second. Boom, and just like that, it's mined. That brings me to 28 iron. So actually, I think I'll just mine a bit more. Because I only need a bit more for full iron. And I want that. Okay. There should be iron right here. Okay, I thought that would work. It didn't. I already have enough for full iron, it's just that I want tools as well, so I'm gonna need like full iron, the amount for full iron, and plus 11, so I think it's like 37 pieces needed, or 35. Oop, there, that's copper. Copper just takes up iron placements. That's a lot of lava. So with the power of no, I don't think you should be here. I'm gonna make this lava disappear. That actually worked. I don't know how, but it worked. What the heck? It's supposed to keep spreading. I mean, I'm not complaining. I was just getting ready for a creeper attack. And here he is. Thank you. Bruh. Let me build up. There's more iron right here. Get ready for the creeper attack. I hate cave sounds. They're so ominous. Everything else in the game is so friendly until you hear a cave sound and you're like, well, I'm gonna die. Okay, so now I'm gonna just update that block. I think that's the reason. No? Huh. It's gonna be known as the forever not flowing lava. Okay, here's the cave in, and then right around over here. That's where I came from. I don't know where I'm going. I hear zombies, so That's comforting. I don't know if it's up there or something like that. Where am I meant to go? Okay. Huh? Oh yeah, that's that little point. Up here? I accidentally placed a torch, so I thought that was like a creeper exploding for some reason. Nope, it's not. It's just my anxiety. Okay, I'm gonna go back up. Hello, guys. Hello, Mr. Horse. This is about to be a big upgrade for me, so you better be ready. Okay. 19 in there, 19 in there, 8 in there, 7 in here. And I'm gonna celebrate by planting melons. I don't have enough sticks. Ho. Okay, and then boom, boom, boom. There we go. I got the seeds placed. Now it's just time to wait. Alright guys, while I was waiting, I chopped down some of the trees. And then saw a mega tree, so I got scared. Because I hate mega trees. Mega trees can go die. Like, they're such a waste of time. So, now my iron is all smelted. Hopefully that brings new recipes. Like a stone cutter. How do you make a stone cutter? I think it needs iron. But I don't know. So let me just search up stone. Stone? Nope, still can't make it. Well, anyways, I don't know why I'm searching up EE. Let's... Okay, my recipe book. Let's get armored. Or suited up. Suited up. Boom! Full iron. And then enough to make full tools. Let's make the sword. Just get rid of all of this. And then just use all of the sticks on the remaining guys. Okay, so an axe, a hoe, and a shovel. No, wait, and then the pick. And then an extra 3 for the extra stuff. Like a shield. Why? That's not even how you make it. A shield, a flint and steel, and I don't know. I don't know what you're supposed to make with it. I don't know what you're supposed to make with like a stone cutter. How are you supposed to make a stone cutter? Anyways, I think even though it's a short episode, it should be a good place to end it off. So, bye.